This year, 2021, India is celebrating a 75th year's Indian independence. Let us come together, do an activity in such a way that it contributes to the nation, it contributes to the neighbor, it develops our own confidence, it develops our own behavioral changes. To do this, the main motivation is Indian national flag, because the first color saffron indicates very clearly every individual has a strength that has to be applied peacefully for a peaceful work. That is a white in color. Third time, this, whatever the activity that we do it, whatever the work that we do it, it should be productive in nature, which will be helpful to the many more people. That is a green in color. On the top of it, Ashoka Chakra with a 24 strips. It reminds me all the time, irrespective of situation, circumstances, I will not forget the principle behind it. Being a social activist since 93 onwards, I thought I should do something where I can give an opportunity to people who are willing to do it. They have got a willingness in it. So why not take this opportunity to find out a solution where it will be social issues can be sorted out, because most of people are willing to be a part of it. 2018 onwards, I have decided to do an activity in such a way that it addresses the environmental issues at a root level rather than superficial level. In that, what came to my mind is, one is recycling, reproducing, and all these activities are there, but the participation is very less. Any social issues, if you want to resolve it, the participation is the most important thing. Most of people whom I met, they were interested in adding an aesthetic value to their home, residence also, or office also, the premises also. They were in the nature of that. Most important thing, universal truth is, tree is the ultimate hope for maintaining the eco balance. We do a plantation on Environment Day. It is away from our residences or it is away from our workplaces, but it is not possible to take care of those plants. Many a time, our plantation becomes unsuccessful. To avoid that, what we have decided at a Vizag India, as a plant garage, we started this activity. And we would like to promote the indoor plantation, which can give a confidence to the people, the knowledge on a plant plantation, plant care, plant needs and plant problems, so that they can apply those knowledge into the outdoor plantation also. So combined all together, national flag as a motivation and a contribution to society where the people are willing to be a part of it, by adding 75,000 more healthy plants into their own home, which will continue, which may be multiplied in a number of times, which may create a major difference to the society, because each plant gives 1 unit of oxygen and reduces 1 unit of a carbon. That is, reduce one, produce one of a Vizag India. We already got more than 400 to 500 families are participating in this activity since last 4 months. We have already reached 20,000 and we need to reach 75,000 target as a mark of a 75 years of Indian independence. This will be a golden opportunity for me also, to you also, to everyone, to discharge our own civic responsibility, which is observance of our own independence, for which many people have sacrificed their life. Secondly, eco balance, which is disturbing. It can be corrected with a small contribution. Collectively, it can become a solution also. Third thing, satisfaction, individual satisfaction of getting one new flower or a new leaf or one fruit, which no money can buy it. Finally, the most important, this plantation can definitely educate the future generation about the plantation, plant growth and why the plants are required, how it has to be maintained, to make it more successful, make it more interactive, make it more participation and the guidance available to the people for a longer period. The future generations will understand it. We are coming to the series, a video series in association Karma Active. We have extended their expertise in creating videos to educate the people on each plant needs, plant understanding, plant growth and plant problems, so that whatever the plant that you select, You have a complete knowledge and guide in a video form so that you can learn faster and make the plant successful. Presently, we are going to cover Bombay district, Thane district and a Pune district to make it 75,000 plantation, indoor plantation for Diamond Jubilee celebration. This is an opportunity for me, to you, to everyone to contribute something to the nation, to the nature without any compromise, without any extra expenses on you. My name is Vijay Kumar Katti, resident of Thana, age 61.